I'm ready for my
Math?
Mommy, I'm ready for my assignment.
Okay. First, 1 plus 3 equals, you count. 1 plus
One.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you write it down.
Can you help me a hand?
You can do it. You just try. Just try.
Can you help me a hand?
How about the second one? 3 plus 3 plus, you read it.
3 plus 1 equals
This one, 3 plus 1 equals
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 again. You can write it down.
4, 4?
Yeah, you write it down, baby.
But I can't.
You can do it. Okay. Number 3. Read it. 1
plus 4 equals 5.
Wait. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, do it. How do you know about that? From?
From number blocks. I watch Apple blocks and number blocks. This is very good.
You should practice writing.
Yes, and
Number 4.
Mommy, I should practice studying and writing and doing diapers.
Oh, yes. Number 4, anak. You read it.
Number 4.
4. Wait a minute. You go back to your seat.
Hi, Mommy. I'm ready for my test.
Yes, I know. We're already doing it. What's this number?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Okay, put it there.
But I can't.
Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Try. Oh, very good. Good job. Number 5. Read it.
Number 1 plus 5 equals 6.
Good. Galing mo naman. Do you like math?
Yes?
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to type. I'm not.